Sometimes the hardest battles aren't visible to anyone else. They happen quietly inside when we keep arguing with reality as it is. That kind of resistance doesn't make us stronger. It just makes us tired. Welcome to the quote for today. I'm glad you're here. Today's quote offers a grounded reframe for moments when life isn't matching our expectations and we're tempted to push harder instead of pausing. Acceptance doesn't mean giving up, it means working with what is. This quote reminds us that acceptance is often misunderstood. It's not defeat, it's not approval, and it's certainly not indifference. Acceptance is the decision to stop wasting energy on what cannot be changed right now and to redirect that energy toward what can. When we resist what is, we stay stuck in frustration. We replay the same thoughts, tighten against circumstances, and exhaust ourselves emotionally. But when we accept the present moment honestly, something shifts. We regain clarity. We regain choice. We move from reacting to responding. Working with what is doesn't mean settling for less. It means standing on solid ground. From that place, action becomes wiser. Decisions feel steadier. Progress becomes possible because our energy is no longer trapped in resistance. Here's one simple way to work with this today. Notice one situation you've been pushing against mentally. Instead of asking how to escape it, ask how you might work with it as it is, just for now. Even a small adjustment in approach can bring relief. Carry that mindset with you as the day unfolds. Acceptance doesn't mean you stop caring. It means you stop fighting reality long enough to move forward intelligently. And here are two related thoughts to sit with. Peace begins when resistance ends, and clarity grows from meeting reality honestly until we meet again tomorrow. Let's make it a great day.